This is FX Sniper from Asia. Today I'm going to show you one of the most profitable trading online available in my channel, and this is called 2 EMA trading. As you can see in my screen, the Euro USD chart is open and I'm trading on live account. This is my live account, and here you can see the account is a real account, so you cannot doubt about the trading technique which I am going to show you today. This technique is very useful for day traders especially, and very easy for new traders to learn and apply. So let's start. You can see I am using the candlesticks chart here, and there is only two indicators used here. One is the 50 exponential moving average, and the another is 20, which there is green, which is 20 moving average. For filtering my trades, I'm also using another indicator, which is CCI. You can see that this is the CCI indicator. You can use CCI or you can skip it too, but it is better to use a indicator like CCI or stochastic indicators for trading filtration, but it is not mandatory. So let's speak how the trading technique works. There is very simple method for entry of this trading technique. When the 20 EMA crosses from below to up of 50 EMA, you start your buy. You take your buy positions, and when is the condition, when is the time for buy, let me show you. See this situation here one candle which is green, it is below 20 and 50 also, but this candle suddenly crosses both 20 and 50 EMA from a bearish situation to bullish situation. So you will take entry in this position, which is the red screen. Let me mark it for you. This is the situation when we will take position for buy trends, that is the candle opening above 50 EMA, and the both the EMA were in bearish position, but the 20 EMA, which is green, is crossing from below the 50 EMA, which is red. From below you will take your buying positions. So here is the situation for buy positions. You can take entries to this candle or these candles too, which is follow these candles too. But see, you the confirmation is in the second candle, which is this candle, the red one here. This is position for buy trading. You will carry your trade up to this position here. You will take entry here and carry the trade by trailing stopping up to here in this position where the candles hit the 50 EMA. Remember, the candle hits the 50 EMA or open below 50 EMA, that is this position. You will carry this trade up to this time and take exit. This is condition for buy trades. So you will take your entry above opening of 50 and carry the trade all the way around to opening any candle below 50 EMA. These are the conditions for buy trade. Now let me show you what is the condition for sell trades, that is the bearish position. As you can see, there is a trade open here in my account in the sell position, which is sell position. This trade is taken in the one of these candles. What is the situation? This is the situation where I took entry, that is the 20 EMA crosses the 50 EMA from above and makes the next the bearish trend, and candle open above, candle open below, sorry, the candle opens below the 50 EMA. Here I took my position of the selling trends. So this is the candle where I took position, and I will carry all the trade until it opens below, opens above 20 or 50 EMA. This is the shorting position. If you want to see, I have set my trailing stop of 12 pips to carry this trade up to this way up to a very long term position. If it is not carried all the way, it will hit the take profit position here in the red dotted area. Let me explain the selling position once again for you. You have to see the 20 EMA, which is green, crosses the 50 EMA, which is red, from above, and a candle opening below 50 EMA. So this is the candle where the selling position starts, and you take your position all the way to this way. So I hope this trade, I hope sorry for my coughing. So I hope the trading technique is very easy for you. Anyone with some short pips of 20 or 50 pips looking for greater trades can follow this technique. This is one of the most easiest technique for beginners. So follow this technique and earn some pips every day. If you feel any problem of understanding the technique, or if you think that this is not uh, understandable in any way what I have described so far, you can put your comments below the video. And if you like my video, then please hit the like button. If you dislike it, also hit the dislike button, and subscribe my channel for more easier techniques upcoming videos. Stay with me, FX Sniper from Asia. Thank you everyone for watching my video. This is my very first video, so if there is any mistake, I'm sorry to you. But if you fail to understand or any problem, please let me know by commenting. Thanks.